Hi guys, just want to show you the newest addition to my collection, which is the Grand Theft Auto 5 kitchen timer. Very basic thing really. Comes in this little white box, made in China. Great. And also got this again, one of these little air fresheners. Seem to be giving these away a lot now recently. Nice anyway, nice to have. I must say they smell like shit. They really do. It smells like a cheap sort of aftershave sort of smell. But nevertheless, nice item. Yeah. It sort of rings. Stick it on 5 minutes. Ticks away. Yeah, it's a quirky, fun little item, really. Oh well. Till the next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.